Aloha, I'm Chef Ryan Covert and welcome back to KTA Kitchens. Today I'm going to demonstrate a great summer dessert, a strawberry sundae. Let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients for this dessert are fresh strawberries. We have orange zest, orange juice, we have sugar, cinnamon, salt, orange liqueur, cornstarch, and honey. So what I like to do with the strawberries, once they've been washed, I just cut off the ends of the stems and just place them into your baking dish, like so. So to assemble the sauce for this dessert, what you're going to do is add all your ingredients into a bowl. You have your orange zest, the juice, you have your sugar, cinnamon, salt, your orange liqueur. Now this could be optional if you don't drink alcohol, but the alcohol does cook out. You have cornstarch, and then we have honey. Now KT has great local honey, so please check them out. It adds a nice island twist to your recipe. And you're just going to mix this well until all the cornstarch is well incorporated. So to assemble this dish, what we're going to do is I have some vanilla ice cream, or you can use any flavor that you wish. And we're just going to spoon some of this warm strawberry mixture on top of the ice cream. You can use a bowl or whatever you may like to serve this in, but I think this adds a little jazz to your next, if you want to do a dinner party with this dessert, in a martini glass. What I like to recommend this dessert with is a coffee, a Grand Marnier, or a dessert wine if you wish. So let's give this a taste. It smells incredible. You smell the cinnamon. You're really going to enjoy this. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and thank you for joining me in KTA Kitchens. For more recipes, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Next time, aloha.